Microstrategy just bought a ton of Bitcoin, and miners are doing something mega bullish with their Bitcoin. Meanwhile, altcoins are hit with selling pressure by Celsius and Robinhood, and one question remains: where are crypto prices headed next? My name is Hannah. Watch until the end of this video to find out what's really going on with altcoins and where I'm hearing Bitcoin's price is headed next. Grab your coffee because it's time to catch up over crypto brunch. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already to show your support for the channel. Microstrategy just made a huge Bitcoin buy. They bought 12,333 more Bitcoin, and now they hold 152,333 Bitcoin in total. This investment cost them around $4.52 billion, and I have an important detail to share. Their average buy-in was around 29.6K, and this means that after being scary close to liquidation when the bear market was at its worst, the investment is now very profitable. CZ summed it up in a Twitter comment: DCA works. Michael Saylor is a big believer in Bitcoin, and he's shown the world that his convictions about Bitcoin are coming up bullish. But what about miners? We're hearing that there have been major outflows from Bitcoin miners, which usually means they're selling their Bitcoin rather than holding it in hopes of higher price action in the near future. But this news is actually bullish because CryptoQuant reported that since June 15th, there has been 33,860 Bitcoin moved out of miner wallets, which sounds massive, but only some of their Bitcoin was sent to spot trading exchanges to market sell. Most of the mined Bitcoin are being sent and used as collateral on derivatives exchanges, so the Bitcoin is never really sold. It's being used to back up hedges where people make bets on where they think the price of Bitcoin might be going next. And then the Bitcoin is deposited back into miner wallets. On derivatives exchanges, traders don't actually buy the asset. They use them to gain exposure to crypto without actually owning Bitcoin. So, although their Bitcoin is being sent to derivatives exchanges, they're never actually selling. And this means that this news is bullish, because mining is business. Even if they love Bitcoin, decentralized finance, self-custody, and all of that, they're going to sell if they think the price is going lower. Yes, even Bitcoin miners are all about the bottom line: money. Learn more about the bottom line in crypto by turning into Around the Blockchain. It's where you'll find real talk with some of the biggest names in crypto. If you've made it this far, please hit the like button to support the channel. We appreciate you. Right now, Bitcoin maxis are having a heyday. While Bitcoin is getting moved to the top of the class, altcoins are taking a beating with Celsius and Robinhood selling millions in Solana, Cardano, Matic, and other digital assets. Celsius has decided that it would be in its customers' best interest to sell off the altcoins that they have locked on the platform and roll those over into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Can I just take a detour here and point out that Celsius isn't exactly a masterclass in its customers' best interest? After all, they defrauded investors out of billions of dollars. The Celsius disaster goes down in the history books along with FTX, Luna, and the other high flyers who thought crypto prices would go up forever and acted recklessly because of it. So now, there's 215 million in altcoins that will be sold after July 1st. The timeline for these sell-offs is flexible. Unlike Robinhood, who has decided to deepen sell pressure on alts by committing to delist and sell all of the crypto assets that are deemed securities by the SEC just last week. In contrast to Celsius' flexible timeline, Jump Crypto, the company in charge of Robinhood's digital assets, liquidated a bunch of crypto on June 27th at market prices. Twitter user Nay analyzed what happened with the company's Cardano, Solana, and Matic wallets and found something very interesting. Matic got crushed, with well over 1 million Matic tokens hitting Binance and Coinbase like a freight train. The Polygon chart accurately reflects the carnage. Solana suffered a more steady decline, but was left off of an important list that I'll tell you more about at the end of this video. Cardano held the strongest against the tidal wave of sells, and a bullish plot twist emerged just as altcoins were supposed to be delivered the fatal blow that regulators and Bitcoin maxis were hoping it would sustain for a long time now. And that is the Hong Kong Virtual Asset Index. Wu Blockchain reported that the HKVAC announced adding Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and many other digital assets like Matic and ADA, among others, that were hit by the SEC securities bomb like ICP, XRP, BNB, Filecoin, Algo, and others like Quant and Proof of Work projects that so far seem to be safe, like Litecoin, Doge, and Bitcoin Cash. Not included on the list? Solana. Can we definitely say that this is an asset that's had a terrible 2023? The criteria for inclusion on the list is a project being in the top 30 tokens by market cap, and many traders believe this news could be bullish for the price action of many altcoins. Remember, crypto is global. Although the SEC is trying to school crypto, altcoins, and Robinhood wants to be the teacher's pet, ultimately the United States doesn't have the final say on what happens with crypto. It's a borderless asset, and because of that, news out of Hong Kong carries a lot of weight. A lot of traders believe Bitcoin could head to higher highs if we can see a break above 31 to 32K. Watch that $30,000 level though. It's turning out to be a strong support that could lead to a pullback if it gets broken with significant volume. Don't forget that ATB goes live Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern on YouTube, so make sure to tune in. Comment below what you think of this week's events in crypto, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. That's it for this week's Crypto Brunch. Toodles! You won't want to miss it. Right now, Bitcoin is going up, down, and around, and sitting down. Ah!